Hey guys, my name is Chin. Today we will talk about Earl. How to row, rack, rot, root, rate, room, try, drop, fry, bright, draw, track, fur, bird, her, far, star, card, more, far, park, here, near, tear, fair, hair, care, fire, tire, gyre, pathway, rate, great, run, one, right, white, path far. We live quite far away from here. It's not fair that he team with right. Let's go there and have some ring. He far away. The next conversation between woman and man. So, what do you usually like? You always seem so busy. Well, I usually up around 5 a.m. and work on the computer until 6 a.m. Why do you get up so early? Well, I have to leave home at 27, so I can catch a bus at 7 o'clock. It takes me about 20 minutes to walk to the bus stop from my house. And what time do you get to work? Oh, my bus takes about an hour to get there, but it stopped right in front of my office. That's nice. And what time do we get off work? Oh, well, 5 o'clock. Then we eat dinner around 6:30, and my wife and I read and play with the kids until 8 or so. So, when you work on the website, you set on time that you created at home. Well, my wife and I often watch TV or talk until 10 o'clock. She then often reads while I work on my site, and I sometimes stay up until the early hour of the morning. But I try to finish everything by 1 or 2. And then you get up at 5 a.m. Well, yeah, but it's important to live a balanced life. I enjoy what I do, but you have to set aside time for family and yourself. I agree, but I think my wife has a target job. She spends her whole day taking care of our family, taking the kids to school, working in the garden, buying groceries, taking the kids to piano lessons. Well, that's a full-time job, but she enjoys what she does. Well, it sounds real busy, but lucky man. I think so too. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.